Now quickly let me rush through example 9. In the given figure, AD is perpendicular to BC. Now I am asked to prove certain inequalities in these triangles. Now I will simply place some values inside this triangle to enable a very clear understanding of what I am telling you. Now this being 90 degrees, I have simply put some 60 degrees here and 30 degrees here, this being a smaller angle than this one, as we can perceive it with the common eye, and just it is a random number. And now as you can see, ADB is a triangle, and applying angle sum property, there is 180 degrees, because 90 plus 60 plus 30 comes to 180. Now out of these three angles, I have 90 in hand. The rest two I don't know, because in the question it has not been given. It is only for your clarity and explanation that I have placed some values, random numbers. And as you can see, the sum of these two angle B and angle A is equal to 90. Why? Because angle sum gives 180, and this 90 goes this way, and 180 minus 90 is also 90. Now again, out of these two angles, if I pick one of them, I can say angle BAD is 30. So 30 is obviously less than 90. That is what he is saying here. BAD is less than 90. Therefore, now ADB is greater than BAD. We can see 90 is greater than 30. Once again, he has simply tripped the equation, and this inequality, it is no more an equation, it is just simply an inequality, and therefore that inequality also reflects in the sides. This ADB opposite side is hypotenuse, and this is the longest, as you know very much. Therefore AB is longer than, now 30 degrees holds the side BD, therefore this is the shorter side of AB and BD. Therefore AB is greater than BD. The first one has been proved here. Coming to the next proof, he is asking AC is greater than CD. So once again, now we are jumping into this triangle, and here we have 90 here, and now he is asking for AC. AC being the hypotenuse is obviously the longest side, and it seems to my general eye that these two angles are equal. Therefore I placed some random 45. Once again, the same angle sum property, and we know that the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, because 90 goes this way, and therefore CAD, which is part of CAD, 45 degrees, and we are talking about CD, therefore this angle need be considered, and that is 45 is less than 90, and therefore AC is greater than CD, hence proved. As for the equations, if there is an equal sign, also we can add up. Similarly, for inequalities also we can operate the addition property. Therefore we can add AB to AC to find that these two will be less than BD plus CD. Hence, and BD plus CD is nothing but BC. Hence the third inequality has also been established. And the fourth proof is talking about the perpendicular AD, and we know that the perpendicular is the shortest distance. Now even if I double this distance, that even falls short of the sum of the other two sides, is what the fourth proof stands to be. Now let me quickly check as has been just now informed to you, AD being the shortest, the perpendicular distance is the shortest. Therefore AD is shorter than AB, and AD is shorter than AC also, this and this. And when we add LHS and RHS, we get AB plus AC is greater than the double of AD. Hence the third one also stands proved.